and think that we made it. High fives all around. You've officially journeyed through the awesome world of WooCommerce Bulk Variations. Hopefully those standard drop-downs are now just a distant, slightly annoying memory. Seriously though, look how far we've come. We started by figuring out what these bulk variation grids are and why they're game changers for both you and your shoppers. We navigated the global settings like seasoned pros, getting that baseline grid looking sharp. Then, we unlocked the 3 ways to actually display these grids, applying them everywhere, fine-tuning on individual products, or strategically placing them anywhere with the magic of shortcodes. We customized layouts, tamed sticky headers, made things visually appealing, and even tackled the vital task of bulk editing all that variation data efficiently. So, what's the big takeaway? WooCommerce Bulk Variations isn't just a plugin. It's your secret weapon for a smoother, faster, and frankly less frustrating shopping experience. Your customers can see everything, select multiple options quickly, and check out without wanting to throw their keyboard. That means happier customers and potentially happier sales figures for you. You now have the knowledge and the tools to transform your variable product pages. Go experiment, implement those grids, and watch your user experience improve. Thanks so much for joining me on this crash course. Now go forth and make those variations grids shine.